Hi everyone, welcome back to NeoPixel channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY minimalist Polaroid movie poster using Canva. This is a printable design that you can use as aesthetic room decor, and the entire process is easy, beginner-friendly, and fully customizable. I'll walk you through choosing the size, fonts, colors, layout, and how to prepare your poster for printing. Let's get started. First, open Canva. Before designing, choose the right size. If you want to decorate your wall with many small Polaroid-style posters, use the 4x5" or 5x7" size. If you prefer one or a few posters that really stand out, choose a larger size like A5 or A4. On your blank page, it's better to turn on margins so your design stays clean and doesn't get cut off when printed. If the dotted margin lines aren't visible, click File or the three dots on mobile, open Settings, and turn on Show Margins. The margin box will guide your design layout. Next, choose your background color. You can use white, light gray, light brown, or pastel yellow. White and light gray give a clean and simple look. Pastel yellow feels cheerful, while light brown creates a warm vintage style. After choosing your background, add the photo frame. Go to Elements, type Frame in the search bar, and select the simple square frame. Resize it so it fits neatly inside the margin, leaving some space at the bottom for text. Now, add your text. Start with the title of the movie. Place it under the frame, use capital letters, increase the size, and align it to the left. Add another text box for movie information such as genre, director, producer, running time, and other details. Running time and cast are the most important information to include. Place the cast section at the bottom with one line of spacing. Add another text box for additional information and place it on the right side, aligned with the previous text. Add one more text box for the release year. Make the size smaller and place it on the bottom right, slightly below the main title, but not lower than the film information. This is the basic Polaroid movie poster layout. Now let's add the movie image and fill in the information. For images, you can search on Pinterest by typing the movie title. You can choose the official poster or a scene screenshot. I personally prefer the official poster for a more dramatic cinematic feel. Save or copy the image, then drag it into the frame in Canva and adjust it until it fits nicely. For movie details, search the film on Google and open its Wikipedia page. There you'll find complete information such as native title, release year, producers, directors, cast, running time, and more. Copy the needed information and paste it into your design. Once all the information is filled in, choose your fonts. There are 3 font styles I recommend. The first is a bold sans serif, which looks clean and modern. The second is a serif font, which gives an elegant and classic appearance. The third is a typewriter-style font, which looks vintage and nostalgic. Use whichever matches the vibe of the movie you're designing. Your design is now complete. If your poster size is A5 or A4, download it as a PDF print. If you are using the 4x5" or 5x7" size, download it as a PNG. If you are making the smaller sizes, there is one more step before printing. Create a new A4 page. Add a square frame from Elements and resize it to match your Polaroid design size. Duplicate the frame and arrange them neatly. Insert your PNG Polaroid designs into each frame, then download the page as a PDF print. This PDF is what you will use for printing. Comment if you successfully made your own Polaroid movie poster.